Hey guys, this is 3137 Corrigan Lane in Round Rock, Texas. It's move-in ready. It's got a new roof. The HVAC system was put in 2020. It's a great location. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,900 square feet. I've went inside already. I'll be walking you through. The house is nice. The front yard is actually nicely done. I've sold houses in this neighborhood before. It's a nice neighborhood. So no problems there. You can see the outside of the house is pretty clean. They got bushes that are here that sort of shields the porch. Nothing really crazy about the house to be a problem, if that makes sense. Very clean, very neat out here. Tree limbs are trimmed back. That tree there probably needs to be trimmed back a little bit more. They said the roof is just a few weeks, a month or two old. It's an architectural shingle. It looks like it's installed okay. I'm not on the roof, so I can't check it. Going inside, everything's pretty clean. The carpet has some stains in it, which you can see as I walk in here. So the carpet's not new, but the room and the floor plan feels really, really nice. Like you said, this would be a great rental. It's 1,900 square feet. You're gonna get a decent price for this house. The carpet is not worn out, but it's good for probably 2 rental cycles. But 2 rental cycles, I mean, you'll have someone here for a couple of years and then you'll get out. This is the office. It could be a bedroom as well. Right now they have it set up as an office. It has a closet and you have a door that goes back into the rest of the house so you can come in from the garage directly into this room. It's been used generally as an office. Walking on back through, you have a fireplace over here that's got gas logs in it. It means that burns gas, and it just, they're just there. They don't really burn anything per se. And then get to the kitchen area. The kitchen area is Formica countertops. It's not granite. It's got a dining room over here. The walls look recently painted, but not real recently. You can see some stains there. That's not a shadow, that's a stain. You got some there too. So the paint is okay. It would last a rental cycle or 2 as well. Cabinets look pretty good shape. There's a refrigerator. We have to see if that's going to stay. The stove looks relatively new, so does the microwave. Those things look much newer. You've got a decent dishwasher over here, a GE. You've got some wear on the cabinets here. This is just wear in front of the sink. That needs to be retouched up. But again, not a gigantic issue. Coming back through, I'm going to come out the backyard in a moment, go back and look at the rest of it. Pantry is a good sized pantry. And we come around this way down the hall. This is a wide hall. It's a long hall, big hall. It takes up some space that you can use elsewhere, but it's a wide hall. When you come back this way, you go to the laundry, which is on the right. And then you go into the office that we were in a moment ago. It's just the back door. The garage comes in right here. So you come in the house from the garage and look at the light, and it's just a standard 2-car garage. Has a water softener. Sometimes water softeners are leased and sometimes they're owned. If it's leased, then we'd have to work with the company you're leasing it from if you want to keep it. If it's owned, then you may have a water softener in the home. The furnace, air conditioner is here. It says it's put in recently. We'll see what it looks like. It does look newer. You can see there. So that looks pretty decent. Bathroom in here. We're always looking at the corners down the bottom. I don't see any stains there. I see a little bit of caulking that's not great, like right there, but it's just a little bit discolored. It's not really needing anything now. See this crack here? This is where somebody's bumped that corner and the spacklings come loose. There's nothing wrong with it. This is where the spacklings come loose. That needs to be touched up. It's probably a $100 job, somebody to do it. Toilet's in good shape. It looks like it's working. And the bathrooms are pretty clean, a decent sized bathroom. Then you come back around, there's of course the living room out there. I'm going back into the back of the house. This is yet another bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It's very large. It's the queen size bed in here. You have chairs. They don't have a big bed, but they have big chairs in here, and it looks pretty clean. I don't see any cracks in the walls or anything like that. Got 2 doors. So it opens up wide. You go in the master bathroom. It has 2 sinks. There are no drawers in this bathroom, which is a drawback. It's got a toilet, a shower that's been recently caulked in pretty good shape. Looks good there. And then it has a tub. Those things in the bottom of the tub are just some bugs that got caught in here and trapped and died. Happens. There's your realtor. Hi guys. Everything looks pretty good in here actually. It's not bad at all. Got some spots on the wall. Some touch-ups that need to happen. Closet's a decent sized closet. There's room for people to have the stuff. It's not gigantic, but it's a decent size closet. The ceiling fans look reasonably up to date, and it looks like it would work okay. Next room is the ceiling fan is working. You have it on, and it's pretty clean. The carpet is still not new. You can see the age there, but it just needs a good cleaning at this point. And you can sort of see the stuff in here. These walls have not been painted in the last year or so or longer, but they're not bad. I would rent this house as is. I would not try to paint these walls for renting it because I think it will rent fine. So you have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms in this home, and I think you're in pretty good shape. And it has an office as well. Not much in here to really be worried about. Again, the carpet is worn, but it's not dead. You still have life in this carpet. When it got better time to replace it, I would probably replace it with some vinyl plank because that's very good in rentals. A little more to put in, but it lasts a lot longer than carpet would. Coming out back, you have a porch, and the backyard looks pretty nice out here. Pretty day here today, nice and warm. Not too hot. To look at the back of the home, I'll turn around in a moment. Back of the home is like this. Again, the roof is new according to what they said. I have no reason to doubt that. It looks like it probably is. That's hardy plank, or actually hardy board. Across the back is brick on the other 3 sides. That's nice as well. Don't see anything that looks wrong, if you follow me. Walking all around. Air conditioners over there definitely looks newer. Brick looks good. There's no cracks in the brick. There's no cracks that I can see in the foundation. So far everything's looking pretty good. You can again see it's got a nice sized backyard. Now going to the other side of the house. That's going to need to be painted after 1 or 2 rental cycles as well, the back porch. Just to give you an idea. And then this is the other side. There's an active wasp nest up there. Those are easy to get down, but they're watching me. Okay. Screen here is a little aged. They need to be replaced. It's not torn, it's just aged. That's about $100 to get a screen replaced. Maybe $125. Everything, all the prices are changing so rapidly. It's hard to estimate them right now. So that's the inside of the house. I like it. It's roomy. It feels bigger than 1,900 square feet. I can see people wanting to rent this because it would feel bigger. It's got 1 office and 3 bedrooms. And I think it's got some good possibilities. You will replace this flooring after 1 or 2 rental cycles. That means after you've rented it for 1 or 2 years, or 2 or 3 years, depending if someone's in there. But you will eventually replace the flooring, if that makes sense. Any questions, let me know. I'm going to put this key box back in, then I'll show you some more up front. Neighborhood's pretty clean. Neighborhood. And you can see the neighbors, see the street. I like this house. I agree with you. It's a good choice. We just have to see what we can get it for. My guess is going to be closer to 4.